How to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what we're going to do is go over and find our Roblox application. Go ahead and open it up. Then on the bottom right, go ahead and click more with the three little dots and then go over to your settings application. Then you want to see privacy and content restrictions, and you're going to see a lot of options, but go over to communication and go over to voice data usage. Make sure voice data is turned on. You can have your voice chat on everything, but it's up to you what you want to do. And experience chat, you want to have that on as well. Now, the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is go back. So we're just going to go back to account info. You want to make sure that your account is at least 13 years old, as in your age group should be at least 13 plus, and your phone number and email should be verified as well. If you haven't verified them, make sure you go ahead and do that. Then what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you what to do in game, because you also have to enable it within the game itself as well. So we're just going to go into please donate right now, just as an example. But once it opens up, all you want to go ahead and do is on the top left, you're going to see that microphone icon. If you want to talk, go ahead and press it, and then that's it. The mic is going to be turned on. You can press it again to enable it or disable it. And I can go over to settings. I'm going to see voice chat as well. I can have it to disconnected or connected, and it's going to say you're connected to voice chat. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you